Hi, good afternoon. My name is Maricar from Global Ace, Maid Agency here in Malaysia. I received your biodata from Philippines Bright Star, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to come to Malaysia to work for 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to work.
Okay, did your family allow you to work here in Malaysia and follow the contract for 2 years?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, do you have any sickness or any operation previously?
No, I don't have, ma'am.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. I'm Maripit Campo from Philippines, 39 years old, and I'm married.
You're married. Do you have any children?
I have two children, ma'am, both boy, 11 and 14 years old.
Two boys, 14 and 11 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Okay, so may I know who will be the one taking care of your two children since you will be working here in Malaysia for 2 years?
My husband, ma'am. My husband.
Your husband. Okay, how old is your husband?
39 years old, ma'am.
39. Is he working?
Yes, ma'am. Driver, ma'am.
Okay, your husband work is a driver.
Ma'am,
Okay.
yes.
So aside from your husband, is there anyone in your family member that can take care of your two children?
My sister-in-law, ma'am.
Your sister-in-law also is there.
Ma'am.
Okay, so no problem at all if you leave them, yeah, to come to
Yes,
Malaysia to
ma'am.
work.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. So do you have a passport?
Yes, ma'am. I have passport.
Okay. Are you vaccinated?
Yes.
Okay. What type of vaccine did you take?
Vaccine, ma'am. Moderna.
Moderna. How many dose?
Yes, ma'am. Two.
Two dose. Okay. So may I know your height?
My height, ma'am, is 5 flat.
5 flat. How about your weight?
54, ma'am. 54.
Okay. May I know your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Catholic. How about your educational background?
Graduate, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any experience working in Philippines or any other country as a domestic helper?
Before I go to Saudi, ma'am, to work, finish contract 2 years, I work here in Philippines as a service crew in restaurant and also sales lady, ma'am.
Okay. As what you said, you work in Saudi. When did you start work in Saudi as a domestic helper?
2020, ma'am, until 2023.
2020,
21,
2021 until 2023.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. May I know what is your job scope?
Yes, ma'am. I washing clothes. I'm cooking. Clean the house. Car washing, gardening, all kind of house helper, ma'am. House helper.
Okay, so you mean you do all around cleaning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do
Yes.
you have any children that you are taking care of or any elderly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, how old is the children that you are taking care in Saudi?
11 years old, ma'am.
11 years old. So only that one you take care and clean the house, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
How many story is your employer house?
A two-story, ma'am.
2 story. So you are the one helper. You are the only one. Okay.
Yes.
So you finish contract only 2 years.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the reason why you didn't continue to work in Saudi?
Yes, I want to see my baby, ma'am. My family.
Okay, okay. So you come back to Malaysia. Sorry, you come back to Philippines. And then you
Ma'am.
wanted to apply here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So are you okay to take care baby?
Yes, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. To take care of the baby, ma'am.
Small children also, you okay?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
How about elderly?
No problem, ma'am. I'll take care also the elderly
Even,
person, ma'am.
okay, even male elderly. Are you okay with that?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about taking care of a bedridden patient or disabled person? Are you okay with that? Are you comfortable?
Uh, I'll try, ma'am, but I think I'm not comfortable with that.
I understand. It's okay, no problem. So you are okay only with taking care of elderly, but for bedridden, you don't have any experience, correct?
Ma'am,
How
yes, ma'am.
about, okay, how about taking care of pets like dogs, cats, or any pets with the employer house? Are you okay with that?
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
No problem. Okay, so since you will be applying here in Malaysia, do you agree with our terms and condition? Okay, you come to Malaysia and you need to finish your 2 years contract. Are you aware of that?
Yes, ma'am, I am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then here in Malaysia, you have once a week off day, rest day, sorry. But we allow you only to rest at the employer house. Are you agree with that?
I'm agree.
Okay. How about your handphone? Here in Malaysia, in our agency, we only allow you to use your handphone, okay, after working hours, which is stated in your contract. So do you agree with that?
Ma'am, I agree, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Are you okay, whatever problem you encounter here in Malaysia, especially homesick problem or any health issue, you are uh, responsible for everything. You understand?
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
So
Yes.
you must be prepared emotionally, physically, and mentally.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes.
You need to finish your 2 years contract, only you can go back to Philippines. Because no one forced you right to come to Malaysia to work as a domestic helper, correct?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
You are the one willing to come to Malaysia and apply in our agency, correct?
Yes, correct, ma'am.
Okay, so this video interview is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel and to our website. So, are you okay with this situation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
so are you 100% willing to come to Malaysia?
I'm 100%, ma'am. Willing.
Okay. All right. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. And please stay connected in WhatsApp because some of the salesperson maybe will contact you for the interview together with the employer.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
So thank you so much for your time. Okay.